Psalm 23 is a beautiful and comforting passage that reminds us of God's care and provision in our lives. It portrays God as our loving shepherd who guides, protects, and provides for us. No matter what challenges or difficulties we face, we can find solace in the presence of God, knowing that He is with us even in the darkest valleys. He restores our weary souls, leads us in righteousness, and blesses us abundantly. The psalm assures us that goodness and mercy will always accompany us, and ultimately, we have the hope of dwelling in the eternal presence of the Lord. May this psalm serve as a reminder of God's unwavering love and faithfulness in our lives, bringing us peace and assurance in all circumstances. Here are the verses in Psalm 23. 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. 2. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures, he leadeth me beside the still waters. 3. He restoreth my soul, he leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. 4. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff they comfort me. 5. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies, thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. 6. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.